Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to show you how to assemble your Indi crib. Yeah. Okay, all you need is a rubber mallet like this. You can buy it on our website, and if you don't have one, that's okay. We send you a rubber hammer cap like that, which you can put on your household hammer. And you need a Phillips head screwdriver as well, and that's kind of it. So let's do it.
Let's do it. First step is to grab your bottom panel and attach the feet using the included hardware.
So you have 4 feet with a threaded bolt, and you're going to insert the bolt with the hole through the hole that is on the opposite side of the panel that has the green connectors, and you apply your attached hardware like this.
In order to attach the foot, first you want to apply your flat washer and then your locking washer to the bolt and attach it like this, using your screwdriver to secure it all the way. Just like that.
Then connect your remaining feet. Okay. Next, lean one side panel against the wall and have your friend bring you the back panel. Unscathed.
Yeah, try not to bump into things. Okay, so you're going to insert the green connectors on the back panel into the slots on the side panel.
Once the green connectors are aligned with the slots, just push it in, and you can use your mallet if you need to tap from the other side. And then once everything is straight and square, push down on the back panel to lock into place.
Attach the remaining side panel the same way. My nails match the mallet.
So fabulous.
Next, you're going to insert your side rail by lining up the green connectors with the slots on both sides. You might want to just flare out the sides a little bit so you can get everything in. And once both sides are lined up, all you need to do is push down on both sides to lock into place.
If you need a little extra help getting it all the way in, just use your mallet.
Alright, so with a friend, lift up your assembled crimp top and place it on top of the assembled base, making sure that the green connectors align with the receivers on the base.
Once all of the connectors are lined up, just push down to lock into place. If you need help, you can of course use your mallet.
Depending on the age of your baby, you will position your crib mattress panel in one of the 4 positions. The older they get, the lower it goes.
So insert your mattress support bolt with the smooth side going into the hole.
Next, you insert your mattress panel. We find it helpful if you tilt it a little bit like this, and you want to just make sure that the holes in the panel line up with the pins that you place.
Insert your mattress bolt with the locking washer and the flat washer. Place it on top of the mattress pin and use your screwdriver to secure it really tightly into place. Then repeat on the remaining 3 sides.
Alright guys, the last step is to add a mattress, some baskets around, add your style, and you're done.